Yeah, or I've joined. Okay.
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 You can
So
start out.
okay. My training subject is Git and Branch Policy, and my name is Aaron. Okay. Git is a version control system or VCS that tracks and manages code changes in collaborative development. It's designed to efficiently manage code repositories and allow multiple contributors.
Yes, Aaron, could you please check that we are not seeing your screen?
Oh, you don't see the screen? Oh.
Yeah.
Uh,
So, before going to Aaron's presentations, I want to ask one question. How many of you guys didn't use Git before? You can just raise your hand if you didn't use Git before. Just raise your hand. It's really fine, It's quite okay not to use Git. I think I don't know what is happening when you try to enable the
oh,
slideshow. Then probably there
yeah.
are some problem in your resolutions. The whole full screen resolution that probably doesn't fit to the Zoom screen sharing. So just exit full screen and yeah, you can
Okay.
come here.
Okay.
So I'm guessing every one of you already used Git before, right? Okay, go ahead.
Git is designed to efficiently manage code repositories and allow multiple contributors to work on the same project with the history of changes too. And allows developers to track, merge, and share code changes easily. And the core concepts of Git include commits, branches, and repositories. So how Git works, it maintains a complete history of changes in a project, commits that show specific code change. It employs a distributed model, allowing each developer to have a local copy of the entire repository. And developers create branches to work on independent features or bug fixes, making it easy to merge changes back to the main branch. And Git uses checksums, otherwise known as SHA1 hashes, to ensure data integrity and track changes efficiently by storing only differences between commits. So the Git status is just it just provides a list of files that have been modified, deleted, or are new since the last commit. And there's a difference between tracked and untracked files. So tracked files we're including the last snapshot or commit, and they can be modified, unmodified, or staged. And untracked files are in the working directory, but not including the last snapshot or the staging area. And Git hasn't kept track of these yet. So both these files are shown in red when you do the stage command. Um, and stage files using git add command or in the file next that'll be included into the next commit. So in Git, branch creation is like a really useful tool because it allows because it's independent lines of development that allow you to work on different features or fixes simultaneously with other developers. And to create a new branch, you can use the git branch command, and then after the branch, you put the whatever you want to name the branch. And to switch to the newly created branch, use the git checkout or git switch command. And branches allow you to isolate your work and experiment without affecting the main code base. And you're also able to merge your changes back into the main branch when they're ready. So, and I've oh, and some Git commands I have here are the basic ones: Git init initializes a new Git repository in the current directory. Git clone creates a copy of the remote repository on GitHub, or like for example on GitHub to your local machine. Git add stages changes in a file for commit. If you want to add all the changes in a file, you could do git add and then just a period. Git commit -m records the stage changes in a new commit, and then you can also add a message where those quotes are right here, which is where you would like comment what commit or what changes you added. Status shows the current state of the repository, including uncommitted changes, and push and pull are pretty like self-explanatory. And Git branch lists all available branches and indicates what current branch you're on. Like I said before, Git checkout switches between branches. Git merge combines changes from another branch into the current branch, and Git log displays a history of commits in the repository, and Git diff shows the differences between the working directory and the last commit, and it'll have the code highlighted in that. I also have like a pretty basic example to show if that's fine at root. So this is like a program I already have set up for this. It's already connected to the Git repository. So it's like a calculator program, and if so let's say I wanted to create a new branch off this, then I would go to I type in the terminal Git branch, and let's say I try to add like a divide feature. So I'll call it like divide feature, I guess. So now I'm in this branch, and then now I can add this code that I want to do. So I'll just type it out real quick. And now if I wanted to add these changes to the branch or like save the progress, I would do git add, but I'm just gonna do period. And this, like I said before, would just add all the changes to it. And to commit the change, I'm gonna do git commit dash this, and then I put a message like I added like divide feature. Okay, and now to push the feature onto what I'm using here is GitHub. I do git origin push.
But you have to git config your username as well. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you see there is a warning sign. It's called git config hyphen -. I'm not sure whether you already did it or not, but you have to set up your user ID and email address, username and username, not the name. I mean username like arrow die, and also as well as git config hyphen global user dot name, git config hyphen global user dot email. And after that, you have to sign off that commit. Otherwise, that commit will be, if you don't sign off by your email ID, try to push to the remote repo. First of all, that policy of that remote repo doesn't allow a commit without the username and email address. This is like most of the remote repo has that kind of policy. Then you cannot, uh, you know, uh, submit any PR. So can you do git log first? Can you execute that log? So you see that it logged. It seems see the author is Aaron Dye, but inside Aaron Dye it is just your PC's user information, like Aaron Dye and Aaron MacBook here. So if you try to submit that commit to the even in your own Git repository at the
Uh,
GitHub, you will not be able to do that. For that, you have to you have to set your user name and as well as it seems you already have user name, but you have to set the user name. So that's yeah. Go ahead. Sorry to pause. Just
so I can continue on like the commands I was gonna do.
okay. So what you can do is uh, at first you already commit, right? You already perform the commit. So as you already perform the commit, so what I want you to do is at first, um, you know, soft reset the head first. So type git reset. Q, press Q. Just press Q. You have to get out from the log. Press Q. Yeah, okay. Git reset hyphen space hyphen soft hyphen soft SOFT hyphen soft, not a space. It should be a soft 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 space.
Soft, okay.
Yeah, space head till one.
Wait, sorry, what?
Head, capital head, HEAD, capital, all are cap. Yeah, all are cap, not camel case. All are cap. Till one. So that till means okay, not the till. So check the messenger.
You said head kill.
No, tilde. This is the tilde symbol. I have just.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
You should not have any space.
Okay.
Till no. It was okay. So let me git reset hyphen soft head till one. So I just I just sent it
Okay.
into the. You can just copy and paste
Yeah.
from the chat. You need to change the git one, like it should be small later. And when you do that, you have to check yeah. Did you do that? So
Wait.
git is a camel case. You need to change it. Git, it's a camel case. I just told you it should be yeah, small letter. You should start with the small letter.
Wait, you want to put that same command in again?
Yeah, same command, and we just start with a small letter G. Soft. You should be a cap, yeah. Till one. Now press enter. Hi. Do you mean hyphen? You just press hyphen.
Oh,
It should be two hyphen soft, not a space. Head till one.
no space.
No, head till one. Just yeah. See. So what happened? Now check. Now do the git log. So you see your that temporary commit is just gone, right? So now
Yeah.
what you yeah. So what that command did is basically it reset the current head to the to the previous head, like that was your previous head. So now Q and get out from here. Do git status. Okay, so see that the changes you have already made there is already there. It didn't go away. It just reset the commit. Now you have to do the git config hyphen global.
Wait, sorry, can you repeat that?
Git config hyphen global user dot name. Okay. You need to. I just send it to the chat window. You can
Yeah.
just copy and paste that command.
Okay.
User dot name. It should be space for what command you need. Git config hyphen. You should be two hyphen. Not a space. Space user. Okay, just your name is set now. Execute the same command with except user.email. Git config -fn global user.email. Config -fn global space user.email.
And do I type in my
Space,
email?
yeah. It should be under double quotation.
Oh yeah.
So now you just commit it. Execute the same git command.
So what command should I do now?
Git commit. Now git commit the changes.
Mm.
Git commit -m,
Uh,
whatever the command,
-n.
-m, then the space, the masses, -m, not n.
Wait, sorry, what?
Git commit -m,
Uh,
space, this is paste masses. Okay. I just
uh,
know. You should put a space after commit. You didn't put any space, commit space -m,
you mean a double hyphen or a single?
single hyphen, then a space masses. I just paste the comment to the
Yeah.
checkbox. So hold on. This will create a commit with your email address. But if you want to sign off, then you should press like a space -s, then a space -s. Add a space, then -s.
Do I add a space and then
Minus
what?
S. Then minus -s. Okay. S. Okay. S. Yeah.
Yeah.
Enter. So it create a commit now. Do git log. You see these two commit which you have already done before, and the commit that is
Yeah.
already there. See? So it has the offer informations, including your name and the address. Along with that, there is a sign off string. So if you sign off by your email address, then what it will do is, even no other people can change anything into your commit. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Another
Uh, should I push it now or
Yeah, you can push it. Yeah, it's
yeah.
fine.
Yes.
Git push origin. So git origin, not git origin push. It should
Oh,
be
get
git
push origin.
origin.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It seems, yeah. It already pushed. Good. So that was quite, yeah, I guess you already covered most of the stuff, but um, there are a lot of different commands. You can definitely look into the slides. You might need
Yeah.
sometimes stashing the local changes, then git pull. So my suggestion will be like whenever you start in a new feature, okay, whenever you start in a new feature, create a new branch. from the head. So create a new branch, then do all of your stuff, all of your implementations. And after that, when you submit that commit to the repo, then you have to create a PR request to merge that branch to the master branch. So these are the policy I was about to discuss. Okay. So whenever you do anything, create your own branch. So Aaron, do you have any other slides? So if you're finished, then
Yeah,
I
that
will
was it.
show you.
So, like, should I just do checkout and merge, or should I just leave it there?
Sorry.
Should I also do get checkout and get merged, or
Yeah, you can. You can
okay?
check out.
Oh, that's right on. Okay. Yeah, that's all I had for this.
So what? Yeah. Okay. So hold on. So can anyone tell that what happened? Because Aaron is already in one branch, like which is called divide feature. Okay. So what happened? So Aaron is already on divide feature, but he he basically changed all the stuff in a new branch, and after that he basically merged, right? Aaron, Aaron, are you listening?
Yeah.
So
Wait.
what I want you to just explain that what you just did, because everyone understand that.
Oh yeah.
You check out the master. So what will happen if you check out the master?
You go back to the main branch.
If you are in a different branch, and if you
Yeah.
want to a specific branch, you need to go from git checkout of that git checkout and the branch, right? So that's what you exactly do. So when you are in the master, then you perform git merge the divide feature to the master. Okay, git merge divide feature is a branch name, so you are trying to merge the divide feature branch to the master, right? So
Yeah.
that's how you can do it. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Aaron. And what I want you to show, uh, I want to share the Cylon project branch,
Yeah.
and I want to share some rules how you guys will start the project. Okay, so let me share my screen. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, perfect. So at first, this is our main project branch, Cylon project. I am sharing uh, in the chat, so you guys can bookmark this branch. This is our Cylon data main branch. It has all the codes of Cylon features. It has multiple supercomputer supports along with cloud. Also, there are a lot of different stuff out there. So whenever you will start work um, on Cylon project, what you need to do is you have to create a fork of that branch. Okay, how can you do that? You can create a new fork. Okay, so what will happen when you create a new fork? Then there will be a new repo with the same name, like Cylon. Like for my case, I have created a fork. My um, my user information is org.cscdu, so it will create a new repo, org.cscdu/Cylon. So when you create a fork, it will create a new repo in your account. Okay. So now go to your own repo. So see, GitHub or CCDU, Cylon. These has same code base, forked from Cylon data. So you see fork on Cylon data. So whenever you start start coding any features, so you have to fork from the main Cylon data project. And after that, let's say you want to start a new feature. So then you can create a new branch. So two way you can do that. Obviously from the command from Aaron just showed you, or you can create a new branch from there. You can type a new branch, so it will create a new branch from the master, from the main branch. Okay, then you will implement all that stuff. Like, so let's say I am creating a new branch. This is called test. Okay, test Cylon. This is a new branch. The convention should be like, you should follow all small letters. So you can create a new branch from the main. So it will create a new branch. And after that, you will implement all the features and then commit and then push. So what will happen? It will push. Okay, it will push to that branch, test Cylon. Okay, then from there will be a new PR for that commit. Okay, this commit is pushed to your fork branch, right? Your fork, for my case, like out of C Cylon repo, and the branch name is test Cylon. But ultimate target is your change should be merged to the Cylon data main repo, right? So to do that, you need to create a PR. So how can you do that? So, for example, I am in the main branch. So let's change the branch, switch to a new branch. Okay, so I have a lot of different branches. So let's say I am going to that branch. Okay, and I basically submit a lot of different changes in that branch. When I finished, then what I need to do is create a PR. How can I create a PR? You will see. Okay, see all branch. Sorry, there are a lot of different way to do that, but one way is create a new pull request from that branch. Okay, so when you create a new pull request, then that commit, all the commits, your in that branch there can be multiple commits, 2 or 3 commits. So all the commits will submit it to the Cylon data main branch, which is in that branch. So you see, there are a lot of different PRs. For example, Bard already have a PR. I already have a PR. And where you can see that you need to go to that pull request. When you go to the pull request, you will see that a lot of different developers basically created different PR. Okay, and I and Bard or Dionda will basically review the changes. If I have any comments or if I have any suggestions on that specific commits, I will commit. I will comment on the files or probably into the. For example, let's say. So let's go to that PR, and there are multiple commits. Okay, there are multiple commits I have made here. So if like let's say, okay, there is no, it just marks. So let me see. These are basically all the masked commits. So let's go to the birds one. So Bard has like multiple files. So what I'll do is I will review all the changes. So if I have any comments, changes, I can commit here. So I might ask them why this change is required, or is there any side effect, I think. Then Bard will, get back to me. He probably replied, or we probably discussed in our weekly meeting that, okay, this is the main reason that we already have, we already handled that side effect in our places, this kind of stuff. And after that mutual agreement, then, I will review and give a +1. That means I'm agreed to merge that changes to the main branch. And finally, your change will be added. So this is how the policy is. Okay, so yeah, definitely I will clarify more. Start working the projects. So hopefully in the next week, I will give a session for the for how to build Cylon project, and along with how Cylon works and the internal architectures. Along with that, I will share some papers. You guys need to read all the papers, and we'll have a discussion. If you have any confusions or comments, definitely we'll have a discussions on next week. Okay. So that's all from my side. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. So Asad, okay, Asad, you are welcome. So if you don't have any questions, we can end today's meeting.
All right, thank you. Have a good night.
Okay, okay, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining this call. Take care.